Imagine, if you will, a sky unlike any you've ever seen. Gone is the familiar expanse of blue, replaced by a breathtaking cosmic ballet. A colossal ring system, vast and shimmering, encircles our world. It dominates the heavens, a constant reminder of the universe's grandeur. These rings, like Saturn's, are not solid bands. They are made of countless particles, ice and rock, each reflecting sunlight. This celestial debris, remnants of a bygone era, paints streaks of light across the day and night. From horizon to horizon, this celestial architecture stretches, a shimmering band, a celestial river of light flowing across the darkness. This is our home, transformed. Sunlight, filtered through this cosmic curtain, paints the world in ethereal hues. Days are different now. The sun's intensity is muted, the light diffused, casting the world in a perpetual twilight. Shadows lengthen, growing more pronounced as the sun dips below the horizon. The rings, no longer illuminated directly, begin to glow with an internal luminescence. A breathtaking spectacle, a cosmic glow, illuminating the night. The moon, too, plays its part in this celestial dance. Its light, usually so dominant, now competes with the ring's soft glow. The night sky, once a canvas of darkness punctuated by stars, is now a vibrant tapestry of light and shadow. This celestial alteration has forever changed our relationship with the cosmos. The rings, once a distant wonder visible only through telescopes, are now an inescapable part of our lives. They are a constant presence, a reminder of the universe's vastness. This constant celestial companion has undoubtedly left its mark on our culture and society. Mysteries and myths likely surround their formation. Artists, poets and musicians, inspired by their beauty, weave tales of wonder and imagination. Some might see this celestial spectacle as a distraction, a hindrance to progress. But I believe humanity's inherent curiosity, our drive to explore and understand, would only be amplified by this cosmic gift. Imagine navigating by the rings. For centuries, sailors have used the stars to guide them. Now they would have this celestial compass, a constant beacon in the sky. Exploration, too, would be forever changed. Imagine launching spacecraft, not into the vast emptiness of space, but through the gaps in our very own rings. The opportunities for scientific discovery would be endless. The rings would pose challenges, yes, but also incredible opportunities. We would learn to live with them, to adapt and thrive in this new world, because that's what humans do. We explore, we adapt, we overcome. We reach for the stars.